I don't ask for much. Just once a week. You've just got to start once a week so I can mow that lawn, okay? I need you to start. So let's work together. Come on. Every week you do this, but this week we're going to start it. Okay, let's go. Start! Start! No! Okay, here we go. Friendly. You only have to do one thing. All you got to do is start so we can mow the lawn. You don't have to pick up kids. You don't have to make lunches. You don't have to make the beds. So work with me here. Here we go! Come on! Yes! I love you, mower. I knew you'd start. Mwah! Let's mow this lawn!